Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners. Recorded December 7th about 3:38 p.m. First, let's start with EOS. We finally got a nice bigger pullback right down to the 37.5% retracement level. This 337.91 formed a very sloppy reversal pattern right here that did trigger. So if this one's going to play out, the next levels higher are 431, 449, and then 467. Keep that in mind. Right now we have the first cross rotation against it. So that is a slight lower probability one. Let's check in on the daily to see how this looks. So it dipped into the rotation zone. We talked about that possibility. This went overextended from the rotation zone, dipped into there, and now we're seeing where this does close. So far it's holding above the rotation zone, and that's what we're key on watching. And you can see those other levels, should we turn back up, how those will play out. And if we go to new highs, the same levels we put in the video from yesterday are still in play. If we sell off again, watch for support around 337, and then on a bigger sell-off, $2.97 to $3 is critical. Switching over to Ethereum, we talked about this 390 level, came down dead stop, moved back up, came down to retest slightly higher, very sloppy pattern here also, reversal against the rotation zone, so this is low probability or lower probability by about 8 percentage points. We have not got the close above 421 yet. That's what we're watching for. We need a close above 421 for it to trigger. And then the levels are 437, 445, and 453. The 453, I'd actually go down to about the 451 level, which is a prior breakdown zone. But keep in mind, it's got to get above this rotation zone. That's why it's lower probability. If we do sell off again, 400 is going to be first key support, 390 the next key support. Let's switch over to the daily to see how this looks. So it is below the rotation zone on this close. We've bounced back up. Let's see if we can close back into the rotation zone. If we sell back down below that 390, the next major level we'd be watching for right now is around 375. Switching over to IOTA, you can see we had a pretty big drop. We talked about on this channel possibility of going back to the 50% level, which came in about 295. We actually got down to a low right today of 303. Top of the rotation zone on the daily. I received some comments and everybody else who was trading IOTA saying there was no way it was trading above 5. They're saying there was no way it was going back to 3. We talked about this. You can go back and watch your videos. It's a possibility on the bigger pullback because of where the rotation zone is. We went back to 303 today. Now we've bounced back up. If we drop back down, this 295 to 3 is going to be first level support. Next level support is about 230, and then possibly down to about the $2 level. Let's check on the 4-hour chart. See what we're doing. So we did get a close below the 4-hour rotation zone. We're now turning back up and rotating back up. My trend line that was on here disappeared. Sometimes those happen. Here's the trend line we were watching for, properly drawn path. Trend line, close above it. Now moving back up. Already hit the first next level higher. It's 426 and the end of the clear path, which came in right here. This is how we trade and move our stops. So as you see, dead stop pretty much on the end of the clear path. This was the clear path move. 434. Next key level higher, 492. And then possibly if we get back up, returning to about the 555 level. You can see also that if we do sell off that $3 level, and then there's going to be some minor support, probably about 275 coming in. There's a prior breakout zone right here, right above that, about 277. So that's going to provide probably some support should it sell off back down again, back into the daily rotation zone. So those are your key levels, both the upside and downside for IOTA. Hope you were able to take advantage of something in these corrections, and we will talk to you soon. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll keep the videos coming. Bye for now.